Today I will show you how Ironclad AI can accelerate redlining during an NDA review process for procurement. I am a procurement manager representing Portillo Labs, and our company is looking to onboard a new vendor, Sedona Networks, from which we would like to purchase some trial licenses. Before we can move forward and add Sedona as a vendor, both parties need to agree to a mutual NDA, and in this case, Sedona Networks wants us to use their paper. Leveraging an Ironclad workflow, our legal and procurement teams have made it easy for anyone to upload an MNDA. A business user can fill out a few details before submitting the request to expedite the review process. Because I handle software vendors, I'm automatically looped in to review the request as a first pass. Before we can agree to the terms, AI playbooks will automatically check that all the necessary clauses are contained within the document and flag any that need to be modified, added, or removed. It looks like we have one clause that is out of compliance, so we will need to have a look at that. Instead of relying on a checklist provided by my legal team, the AI playbook's algorithm automatically identifies the specific clauses required for NDAs. This gives first-pass reviewers like me the confidence to approve this contract without wasting our legal team's time. AI Playbooks also flags clauses that shouldn't appear in the document or are out of compliance. Here it is telling me that the indemnification must be removed. Our legal team typically does not negotiate indemnification this early in our relationship, so we will need to take that out. If they insist on this, I can request an exemption, and that will loop in the necessary approver. In this case, we will remove it using AI Assist with the click of a button. With the language removed, AI Playbooks updates the clause status to green, indicating alignment with the company's risk tolerance. As I am negotiating with the counterparty, I can explain why we will not accept this clause in a comment. Proceeding with the contract, I will save our changes as a new version so I can send it back to the counterparty. The changes are logged into Activity Feed, providing visibility into the contract's progress and serving our auditing needs. Ironclad routes the contract to legal to give their once-over since this contract was on third-party paper. By leveraging AI playbooks, Portillo Labs was able to streamline the first-line review of a third-party NDA using Ironclad's AI to ensure compliance. This not only expedites the procurement process, but also mitigates potential risks while allowing the legal team to focus on more strategic initiatives.